Hello again. Today we are factoring trinomials. So a trinomial has three terms, such as x squared plus 7x plus 10. All right. And the way we factor this is we can break this into two binomials. Notice tri means three. And we're going to factor this into two binomials, which each has two terms. So what I want to ask myself is what two numbers multiply together to be positive 10 and add together to be positive 7? Well, I know that two numbers that multiply to be 10 and add to be 7 are 5 and 2. And those numbers are positive 5, and positive 2. You'll also notice that there's an x squared here. So I want to put an x in each parenthesis. So the way you factor this trinomial is to break it into two parentheses. And those two parentheses, you factor it into two binomials. And those two binomials are x plus 5 and x plus 2. So here I have x squared minus 9x plus 20. Well, I need to find what two numbers multiply to be positive 20, but add together to be negative 9. Well, if I have two numbers that add together to be a negative number and multiply together to be a positive number, that means that they are both going to be negative. So I'll make my parentheses. So they're going to be both subtraction problems because we're going to factor this into two binomials, okay? So what two numbers multiply together to be positive 20, but add together to be negative 9? Well, now that we've established the fact that they're both going to be minus, what two numbers multiply to be 20 and add together to be 9? Well, 4 and 5 multiply to be 20 and add to be 9. So remember, we have an x squared here, so I'm going to factor that into each parenthesis. So my answer is x minus 4 times x minus 5. And that is how you factor trinomials.